Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a beautiful winged unicorn together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw 2 circles for the eye and 3 small lines for the eyelashes. Draw the pointed ear with 2 curved lines and then draw 2 more curved lines inside it. Draw the mane on top of the head with a wavy line, a curved line, a semicircle, and a straight line. Draw the unicorn's face with a curved line, a semicircle, and another curved line. Draw a curved line for the muzzle, a curved line for the mouth, and one for the nostril. Draw the back of the body with a vertical line and a wavy line. Draw a diagonal line for the hind leg, a curved line, a horizontal one, another vertical curved line, a curved line for the thigh. Draw the plinth with a horizontal and a vertical curved line. Draw an S-shaped curve for the front of the body. Draw the tuft of the mane with a line in the shape of an upside-down letter V. Then, draw a curved line for the other part of the neck. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape! Draw the horn and 3 lines inside it. Now draw the front paw with an upside-down letter V, a horizontal curved line, and another upside-down letter V. Draw a curved line for the belly. Draw the hoof with a curved line and a vertical one. Draw the other front paw with an upside-down letter V, a diagonal line, another upside-down letter V. Then a curved line and a diagonal one for the hoof. Now draw the second hind leg with a curved line for the thigh, a diagonal line, a horizontal line, and another diagonal line. Then draw the hoof with a horizontal line and a vertical one. Draw the wing with a curved line, 6 inverted U-shaped lines. Draw 1 curved line and 8 inverted U-shaped lines. Draw the second wing with a curved line, a U-shaped line, another curved line, and another inverted U-shaped line. Now draw the tail with a large curved line, a diagonal line, a large inverted U-shaped line. Draw 6 curved lines inside it. Wow! Our friend turned out really well! Good job! Now let's tip the colors. Use red for the first part of the ponytail. Use orange for the second part. Use yellow for the third part, the horn and the hooves. Color the fur part of the tail with green. Use indigo for the fifth part of the tail. Use blue for the sixth part of the tail. And use purple for the last part of the tail and the mane. Color the ear, head, body, and legs with light pink. Use a darker pink for the muzzle, for the inside of the ear, and wings. And use black for the eye. Excellent! Our winged unicorn is beautiful and full of colors. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!